Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Life with Vivian, and in case you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much, I appreciate you. And so guys, today I'm going to do an eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows. And so before you start, kindly make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell. So let's get straight into the video. So the first step, you're going to brush our eyebrows, and I prefer brushing my eyebrows using a toothbrush. After brushing, we are going to line using Davis number 3 eye pencil. Make sure your pencil is sharp, like that. We're lining from the lower side of the eyebrow first. So after lining the lower side, we're going to level the upper side to avoid overlining. So after lining the upper side, while lining the upper side, you don't start from the far end here. We start from slightly in the middle. We leave a little space. Then so after lining, you're going to brush through again. Guys, bear with me. I don't know why my light is misbehaving. So that's how our eyebrow looks after lining. So after that, you're now going to fill in where we feel like there is spaces, so there is no hairs. You just slightly fill in. And I'm going to fill in using the same eye pencil that I used to line.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
Slightly, don't be too harsh.
I would.
Yes, you can see that slightly. So I'm going to conceal my eyebrows using Eyebrow Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. This one. And guys, I'm doing this video while feeling unwell. In case I'm not audible enough, kindly bear with me. So I'll be using this brush to conceal my eyebrows. I hope you can see that. So make sure you put the product on both sides of the brush like I've done, to avoid having products on top of the brush, which can cause you a mess. And so we're going to conceal.
Talk on the phone.
So after concealing, we're now going to blend the concealer using a damp beauty blender. Make sure you squeeze out the excess water.
You should know it. You've been gone for way too long.
So yeah, we are done, and you can clearly see the done eyebrow looks good as compared to the eyebrow that is not done, and it's that easy, as you can see. So I hope you learned something. If you enjoyed watching this video, or if you learned something, kindly make sure you give this video a thumbs up, or you like this video, comment, share, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell. We meet again in the next video. Bye.